Hello and welcome to the new edition of CMS News. Independence Day celebrations. CMS College celebrated the 75th Independence Day at the college campus. The event commenced after the patriotic song by the NCC and NSS cadets. Our principal, Dr. Verghese C. Joshua, hoisted the flag, followed by the national pledge. Acumens. Principal's Independence Day message. The principal gave the Independence Day message through the latest episode of Acumens Pool of Thoughts. Referring to Eric Heller's Disinherited Mind, where he laments the fading of Europe's cultural richness over time, he pointed out that the level of unity we had as a diverse nation during colonial rule is slowly disintegrating due to the lack of the vision of unity. The principal also reminded us that our nation's unity and integrity can only survive in the presence of modern-day human values, namely justice, liberty, fraternity, and equality. One District, One Green Champion Award presented. CMS College received the One District, One Green Champion Award instituted by the Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, Department of Higher Education. A one-day workshop on Swachhata Action Plan was conducted through Google Meet on 8 August 2021. District Collector and District Magistrate Dr. P.K. Jayashree IAS handed over the award to the Principal Dr. Verghese C. Joshua during the workshop. Dr. Deepu Verghese, Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education resource person, spoke about the various activities in the campus and in adopted village. CMS College won the award for the proactive commitment towards a cleaner environment manifested in green initiatives. Our college has successfully set up the Swachhata Action Plan Committee, adopted and implemented best practices in the areas of sanitation, hygiene and waste, water and energy and greenery management. Our college undertook many projects for the sustainability of nature. The Rewind project undertaken by CMS is one of the signature projects for preserving and restoring our ecology. CMS is a habitat of 560 species of plants, among which around 70 are endangered. Hence, the first phase of the Rewind project focused on planting new varieties of trees and plants. The second phase of the project involved the QR coding of the flora. Organic farming and dry leaves waste management are one of the most rewarding green practices that the college follows. The in-house facility headed by the chemistry department helps in checking the fertility of the soil. 33% of the entire campus is already functioning on solar energy. With the mission of reducing the usage of groundwater, our college is focusing on rainwater harvesting. Scholarships offered by CMS College. CMS College has started taking scholarship requests from students. Some of the scholarships provided by the college are Ask With Fellowship. The flagship fee waiver fellowship offered by CMS College is a merit or need-based fellowship. It is offered to meritorious students in the academic or cultural spectrums of our college. The fellowship was introduced as part of bicentenary project of CMS College. Each year, 200 students will be awarded the Ask With Fellowships honoring Reverend Francis Nowell Asquith, one of the greatest missionary principals of CMS. North American Scholarship is a merit or need-based scholarship offered to students who are academically outstanding. The scholarship is instituted by the CMS College alumni in USA. The list of the students selected for the scholarship was announced. 25 students were selected based on their performance in the qualifying examinations. Susan Varki, Ansu and Thambi and Arya Ajayan of BA Economics, Avani VS of BA History, Shini Shaimon of BCom Aided and Teresa Mary Xavier of BCom Self-Finance, Alan Sebastian Thomas, Devika Sandosh, Binuja Varghese, Aksa Rachel, Muhammad Sibyl, Gobika Krishna, Sean Varghese Shibu, Sarah Sunny, Jinsi P. James of BSc Chemistry, Asha Saju of BSc Zoology, Anusha Susan Reggie of BSc Maths, Anoop M of MSc Botany, Sharath Gopan of MA Malayalam, Bibimol John of MA Sociology, Namita Jain, Sonamol and Adira Rajiv of MSc Zoology, Aishwarya S. Kumar and Densia K. Matthew of MSc Dietetics are the selected students for the scholarship. Bond of Care is a need-based scholarship awarded to both undergraduate and postgraduate students as a fee waiver. The scholarship is offered by the Gloria Day Church of Philadelphia, USA in alliance with CMS College. Apart from the scholarships offered by the college, students can also apply for the scholarships offered by the government. Interested students can apply through the college website. Refresher course on MOOC 7.0 held. The Teaching Learning Center of Ramanujan College, University of Delhi, in collaboration with CMS College under the aegis of the Ministry of Education, organized an interdisciplinary 2-week online refresher course from 5th to 19th August 2021. The focus of the program was on managing online classes and co-creating MOOCs. The principal, Dr. Varghese C. Joshua, served as the patron for the program, and Dr. Gigi George, Assistant Professor of the Department of Chemistry, was the program coordinator. Massive open online courses, MOOCs, create the opportunity for sharing the ideas and knowledge, and also helps improving lifelong learning skills by providing easy access to global resources. In other words, they have transformed the spaces of teaching and learning and associated pedagogical skills. MOOCs also helps in improving cross-cultural relationships, which leads to collaboration between institutions, educators and learners locally and internationally. The program trained the participants in the design and application of online courses for teaching, learning and professional development. The participants were equipped to effectively manage their curriculum and support their students after the completion of the course. Undergraduate admissions rank list published. The rank list of undergraduate admissions 2021-22 has been published and can be viewed on the college website. Postgraduate admissions open. The admissions for both aided and unaided courses of postgraduate programs are open. Interested students can apply through the college website. College reopens after Onam vacation. The college reopened on 31st August 2021 after Onam vacation. Colleges affiliated to Mahatma Gandhi University closed for Onam vacation on 18th August 2021. Exams rescheduled. Rising number of COVID cases in Kerala has become a serious concern for us now. In view of the emergency, the first semester undergraduate exams, which were scheduled to be held from 1st September 2021, have been postponed indefinitely. Date of commencement will be announced later. Inter-department patriotic song competition conducted. The Department of English conducted an inter-department patriotic song competition to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. Jojini KJ of 1st DC Chemistry secured the first position. Prahlad N of BCA and Devika Suresh of 2nd DC Physics secured the second and third positions respectively. World Environment Day competition winners declared. The winners of Incredible Memories, an article competition organized by the Department of History, had been declared. Anirudh B. Chettiyaveetil of 2nd DC Malayalam and Juby Jacob of 1st DC Economics secured the first and second position respectively. CMS College wins Intercollegiate Cricket Championship. CMS College won the Mahatma Gandhi University Intercollegiate Cricket Championship held at Mar Thomas College, Tiruvalla. The college claimed its consecutive victory after defeating SH College Tevara with 9 wickets. Results of 6th semester undergraduate courses declared. The results of 6th semester undergraduate examinations have been published and are available on the college website. For re-evaluation, the students can apply online on or before 1st September 2021. National Reading Day competition winners declared. The Malayalam department of our college conducted several competitions in connection with Reading Day. The competitions were held on high school, higher secondary and college level. Amita Vinod and Akash Parameswaran of the English department of our college secured the first and second positions respectively in the book review competition. Center for Career Guidance and Placement. The placement cell of CMS College plays a crucial role in identifying job opportunities for undergraduates and postgraduates passing out from the college by keeping in touch with reputed firms and industrial establishments. The cell operates around the year to facilitate contacts between companies and graduates under the leadership of the principal, Dr. Varghese C. Joshua. The Center for Career Guidance and Placement is headed by Dr. Vimal George Kurian. Mr. Sudeep Cherian coordinates the efficient functioning of the cell. Faculty achievement. Dr. Roxy Matthew Cole, an alumnus of CMS College, released a report on the country's variance towards climate change and how it negatively impacts the sustainability of our planet. His report made a notable impact on the issue and was accepted worldwide. Dr. Cole is a noted scientist at the Center for Climate Change Research under the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, PAIN. He joined CMS as a student in the physics department in 2000 and completed his doctorate in ocean atmosphere at Hokkaido University, Japan. Dr. Jackson Paul V. secured the first prize in the online sports quiz conducted in connection with National Sports Day on 29th August 2021. The quiz was organized by ACPTE, Mahatma Gandhi University. Programs undertaken by NSS unit. The National Service Scheme unit of our college undertook several programs in the past month. The unit organized a webinar on the topic Impact of National Education Policy 2020 on Youth Empowerment and Sports Development. The unit appointed Ms. Misriya Mohammed and Mr. Aromal Mahesh as the new volunteer leaders and appointed Ms. Megha Merin Raji and Mr. Amal J as the new volunteer secretaries. The NSS unit of our college organized a Mangrove Awareness Week in association with World Mangrove Day. The event included a WhatsApp status march, mangrove conservation pledge and an essay competition for school students on the topic mangroves and their conservation. The unit planted mangrove trees at the Kumaragam division and also held a 3-day webinar session. The sessions were led by Dr. Prasad, Assistant Conservator of Forests in the Social Forestry Division at Kottayam district, Dr. K. Vinod, Principal Scientist in the Calicut Regional Section, and Dr. A. Mohandas, Retired Scientist, Thiruvananthapuram. The NSS unit initiated OPPAM, a project for the holistic health, well-being and development of teens and youth. The principal, Dr. Varghese C. Joshua, inaugurated the program. Trainer, counselor and career mentor, Dr. Isaac Thomas delivered the first lecture on the subject Manodarshan, which was attended by over 150 students from various colleges in India. The unit conducted a webinar on youth and video game literacy under the project OPPAM. Mr. Boni, R&D team led at Aveva Software spoke on the occasion detailing the impact of video games on youth. The NSS unit of our college distributed 100 shillings to 25 housewives in the second phase of project Kaitanga as part of the Samriddhi project. The unit also held an intercollegiate mobile photography contest in connection with World Photography Day based on the theme Onam and COVID. World Breastfeeding Awareness Week observed. The Department of Family and Community Science organized an awareness week with the theme Project Breastfeeding, a Shared Responsibility in connection with the World Breastfeeding Week from 1st to 7th August 2021. A Lactagog recipe competition and handmade poster competition were conducted. And last but not the least, a celebratory moment. Our manager and bishop of CSI Madhya Kerala Diocese, Dr. Sabu Koshi celebrated his 60th birthday on 26th August. He was felicitated in a grand function held on the day in the Holy Trinity Cathedral. Bishop Dr. Dharmaraj Rasalam presided over the function. Mr. V. N. Vasavan, minister, inaugurated. Dr. Theodosius Marthoma Metropolitan blessed the occasion. Mr. Saji Cherian, minister, inaugurated the Memorial Housing Project. Dr. Varghese C. Joshua, CMS Principal Deputy Speaker, were among the dignitaries that joined in the felicitations. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to the college YouTube channel and follow the official Instagram page to be up to date on the latest happenings at CMS. This is Gautam Krishna signing off.